Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss about the job opportunities or career opportunities in the field of marketing. Career in marketing is one of the challenging careers. The person who is working in the field of marketing has to face many challenges, and that is the reason I said the career in marketing is one of the challenging careers. Due to increase in the scope of marketing activities in the organizations, marketing department or the marketing field can provide plenty of job opportunities to the people. That is, marketing offers many direct and indirect job opportunities to the people, and they also provides an opportunities for self-employment. So now let's talk about what are the career opportunities or job opportunities which marketing field can offer. So the first one is Chief Marketing Officer, that is CMO. Chief Marketing Officer is the highest designation in the field of marketing. Chief Marketing Officer is the corporate executive and who is responsible for overall marketing activities in an organization. Chief Marketing Officer is also called as Global Marketing Officer or Marketing Director. So being a marketing students or commerce students, you have an opportunity to become a Chief Marketing Officer. The next job opportunity for you people is Sales Executives or Marketing Executives or Marketing Representatives. To be a sales executive, one should have a skillful knowledge about the marketing field. So that is the reason the person who has the great knowledge about the marketing activities can become a sales executives or marketing executives. So any man or women can work as a salesman or saleswomen in marketing firms, and they get a attractive salary, allowances and commission based on their performance. The next job opportunity for you people is you can become a marketing analyst. Now what is the work of marketing analyst? Marketing analyst is responsible for analyzing organizations' marketing campaigns, what campaigns the organization has, and what is this outcome of that campaign that you can analyze. They study and evaluate market trends and report their findings to the marketing team. And with the help of that report, marketing team prepares a marketing plan for their company. The goal of marketing analyst is to determine which products or service to sell and how to sell them. The next career opportunity in the field of marketing is you can become a marketing specialist. It is one of the most common types of marketing jobs in the marketing that you can become a marketing specialist. The work of marketing specialist is to design and create marketing campaigns that support the growth of a company's products and services. They are also responsible for researching current marketing trends and determining which types of products or services are demanded by the consumers. Marketing specialist develops sales presentations and they provide report based on the information collected, such as marketing trends, competitions, new products and the prices of the products. So being a marketing student, you can also have your own advertising agency, or you can also work in the advertising agency. As we know, advertising is necessary to face the competition and to increase the turnover of the organization. And therefore, many organizations are spending huge amount of money for advertising making advertising about their product every year. So anybody who is having creative skills can join advertising firms as an advertising manager, and if you become an advertising manager, you will get an attractive salary and allowances. The next career for you people is you can become a marketing consultant. It is a self-employment where you can become a marketing consultant if you have a knowledge about the marketing. So you can guide the person, or you can advise your client regarding the quality, quantity, suitability, performance and availability of products in the market. So you can advise the customer which product they can purchase, what are the qualities of that product. So all these things you can explain, or you can suggest to the customer which product they can buy, being a marketing consultant. The next career opportunity in the field of marketing is social media manager. No need to explain about this. You all know what is the importance of social media these days. So the social media platforms includes maybe a Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. So all these are the social media platform, and if you have a thorough knowledge about these platforms, you can become a social media manager of any company. Now, what is the work of social media manager? The social media manager manages a company's social media marketing campaigns. You can do a marketing campaigns also on the social media as well. So the work of social media manager is to look after the social media marketing campaign, and this involves ensuring that social media accounts are updated on a regular basis with relevant content and post. The goal of social media manager is to develop brand awareness as well as generate leads or sales. Social media managers are also responsible for actively engaging social media followers and influencers within the social media channel. Social media managers track and report social media trends, engagement, and adjust their efforts accordingly. Okay, so you will have an opportunity to become a social media manager as well if you have a thorough knowledge about the social media platforms. The next job opportunity in marketing is email marketing manager. The activity performed by the email marketing manager is they are responsible for marketing a product or services via email marketing campaigns. You might have seen so many emails of the companies we received giving information about their offers, about their products, about their services, what they have launched new, the discount offers they give. So all these things will be done through the email marketing campaign. Okay, so you can work as an email marketing manager if you have a good knowledge about the content writing, that is about the how to write the email. If you are good in writing the email, then you have an opportunity to become a email marketing manager. So here you should have a knowledge of internet, how to use the internet effectively, as well as if you have a skill of writing the email, you have an opportunity to become a email marketing manager. So these email marketing managers are also responsible for managing the list of email contacts for a company, and as well as creating the marketing materials that will be sent to the customer. That is, email what they have to send to the customer also has to be written by the email marketing manager. So once an email campaign has become, the email marketing manager must assess its effectiveness and adjust future campaigns accordingly. So the another career opportunities are available for marketing students is Search Engine Optimization Specialist, that is CEO. Search Engine Optimization Specialist is responsible for improving search engine rankings for websites. For that, they select appropriate keywords to target in their search engine optimization efforts and optimize websites using a variety of SEO tactics. So with the help of SEO tactics, they can make sure that they will improve the search engine rankings for the websites of company. The website optimization process primarily consists of writing keyword-centric, content as well as optimizing page titles, header tags, alt tags and meta tags. So you should have a knowledge of the internet as well as you should be well versed in writing the keyword centric content as well as optimizing page titles, how to write the page titles, header tags, alt tags and meta tags. So all these things will be consist in the website optimization process. The next opportunity in the marketing is web content writer. So you can also become a web content writer. What web content writer does? Web content writers specialize in providing relevant content for websites. Now these days every company has their own websites, so you can become a web content for any company. They write blog, post, marketing copy and other forms of content for the web. And the goal of a web content writer is to increase the number of website visitors by targeting specific keywords related to the products or services of their company offer. Okay, so you have an opportunity to become a web content writer if you are very good in writing the content. So if you have a knowledge of literature and if you can write a good content, then you can become a web content writer. The next one is product manager. One of the important tasks of the marketing is appointing a product manager, because product managers oversee the development of a product from start to the finish. They build products from existing ideas and develop new ideas based on the industry experience and contact with customers and prospects. So they contact with the customers, they collect the information from the customers and that information will be used in product development. So along with the information collected from the customers, they also use their industry experience and both can be used in preparing or developing the new product. The product manager is responsible for ensuring that a product is completed on schedule and within a budget. Okay, we know that customers expect something new every now and then. So one product cannot sell profitably for a long period of time. So if you wanted to continue the consistency of profitability of the organization for a long period of time, you have to make sure that every now and then you can come up with a new product. So the main responsibility of the product manager is to come up with a new product within a scheduled time or within a scheduled budget. Their primary goal is to increase the profitability of existing products and develop new products for a company. The next career opportunity for you people is advertising coordinators. You can become advertising coordinators where you can support marketing efforts and assist with marketing projects for print and electronic media. Advertising coordinators are responsible for devising and coordinating advertising campaigns that entice consumers to purchase the goods or services of their company or client. Advertising coordinators coordinate the scheduling of ads and product promotions, maintain and update a customer database, and that they offer to the sales staff. Okay, so that is the work will be done by advertising coordinators. They work for both print media as well as for electronic media as an assistant. The next one is you can also become a purchase officer or a purchase assistant. As skillful and tactful buying is quite essential in marketing, so every firm or company is appointing buying assistants or buying officer. So you have an opportunity of job in buying, that is you can become a purchase officer or purchase assistant. The next job available in the marketing is you can become a web producer. You can also become a public relations manager. You can become a brand manager. There is an opportunity as a media buyer. you can, as there is an increase in the digital marketing, so you have a career opportunity in digital marketing as a digital marketing manager. You can also become a digital marketing director, you can become a e-commerce manager, and also you have an opportunity if companies are providing after sales services to the customers. There are so many after sales services are available to the customers, so even in that field you have an career opportunities. So all these are the few career opportunities in the field of marketing we have discussed. I am sure you understood it. Along with this, there are other career opportunities as well. Okay, if there is a question for 5 marks, you can answer any 7 or 8 points for 5 marks. Okay, that is what are the career opportunities which marketing field can offer. So for that you can write 5 to 6 point or 7 points for that 5 marks question. Okay, thank you.